Have you ever heard of a place that's a melting pot of rich culture, history, and exquisite cuisine? A place called Chettinad? Nestled in the southern state of Tamil Nadu in India, Chettinad holds a wealth of history that is as enchanting as it is compelling. This region has been shaped by the Chettiars, a prosperous community known for their prowess in banking and business. Their influence has left an indelible mark on the culture and architecture of Chettinad, making it a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. And let's not forget the cuisine. Chettinad is famous for its delectably spicy and aromatic dishes, a testament to the region's rich culinary heritage. Each meal is a journey into a world of flavors that linger long after the plates have been cleared. Now that you've had a taste of the rich cultural tapestry of Chettinad, let's explore how you can immerse yourself in this unique experience. Wondering how to reach this cultural haven? It's simpler than you think. Nestled in the heart of Tamil Nadu, Chettinad is located around 90 kilometers from the bustling city of Madurai. This vibrant city, brimming with history and charm, is the closest urban hub to Chettinad. Now, how do you get to Chettinad? You have several options. If you're flying in, Madurai boasts the nearest airport. From there, a scenic drive will lead you to Chettinad. For those favoring the railways, the closest station is in Karakudi, a quaint town that's just a stone's throw away. And for the road trippers, rejoice. Chettinad is well connected to major cities by a network of smooth and picturesque roads. So whether you're soaring the skies, chugging along the tracks, or cruising the highways, your journey to Chettinad promises to be as delightful as the destination itself. So, with Madurai just a short journey away, Chettinad is more accessible than you might think. Chettinad, a place where history whispers and culture speaks. As we wrap up our journey, let's take a moment to reflect on the vibrant tapestry that is Chettinad. A region rich in cultural heritage and steeped in historical significance, Chettinad stands as a testament to a time long past, yet its spirit resonates in the present. From the grandeur of its ancient mansions to the intricate craftsmanship of its artisans, Chettinad is a living, breathing museum. And who can forget the gastronomical delight that is Chettinad cuisine, a tantalizing blend of flavors that leaves you craving for more. Accessible via the bustling city of Madurai, Chettinad is a gem waiting to be discovered. It invites you on a journey of exploration and discovery, where every corner holds a new story, every dish a new taste, and every experience a new memory. So there you have it, Chettinad, a timeless journey into the heart of culture, history, and gastronomical delight. Until next time, travel safe and keep exploring.